Hey guys, welcome back to SEO College. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to utilize the Money Robot properly and how to use it for your clients. In this 5-part series, we're actually going over the process of utilizing the Money Robot for your projects, whether that's for your own personal projects or if you are trying to impress your clients. This is basically a walkthrough of how to utilize it properly. And if you are interested in joining our program, the link is in the comments below. Right now it's at 97. We're raising the price because we're gonna actually add some templates, and you're gonna get access to the WordPress template that we're using for our clients, as well as some of the specialized diagrams that are, at a premium price. If you search Money Robot diagram, you're going to see that some people are charging a lot of money for these diagrams, where you can get these diagrams in the program if you join right now. We're only keeping it up for another 24 hours, and then the price is going to go up to $497. So right now, grab it while it's still cheap or still at a discount price, and then we'll see you on the inside of the community. And also there's an access to the community. If you want to join our community, the link is in the description and also in the comments. That's our Facebook community, where I'm talking to you about the different strategies as well as some insider stuff. Okay, so right here I'm actually in the program, and I have some campaigns going right now. And if you are looking to actually use this for your clients or for your own personal projects, I'll just walk you through the step-by-step process so you could utilize it properly for whatever you want. And again, if you don't have the Money Robot tool and you want to use it but you don't have it, you can also get access to it through me if you join in the program. And if you're in the program, all you need to do is submit your links to me, and I will run it on our own agency. And then basically, this is a mega deal. We're not offering this for much longer because I believe it's worth a lot more, and I can't keep it at the same price. So the link is in the comments. So with that said, we are actually running some campaigns for various reasons, and I actually want to go through the actual way to create a winning campaign in the Money Robot tool here, because a lot of people just kind of skim through it. If you type in Money Robot in YouTube, you see these other creators. They're not really using it properly. They're just kind of skimming through it. They don't really understand it. I'm gonna actually show it, and you can see right here I actually have the licensed version of it. So this is like a legitimate video of how to use it properly. I'm not running this on a demo or anything like that. I have a legitimate thing here. So I'm gonna bring up my client here, and as you can see, this is one of the client websites that I've actually built for. I'm actually working on some training too to show you how to get SEO clients, because I know a lot of you guys are either doing affiliate marketing, or if you're trying to generate sales for your business. I believe the best way you can start is to start looking and getting clients, and I'm going to show you a process on how you could do that. I'm actually creating a masterclass for that. That will be available in the next 2 trainings, so make sure to like and subscribe, and also put the notification on this channel, because I'm going to be dropping some free information on how to actually get SEO clients. Okay, so you want to make sure that you are getting the notifications for that. So I want to show you exactly how you can drive traffic to your websites here, guys. So what I'm going to do is this is one of the clients that I have right now, and I'm going to go to one of the recent posts here. Okay, so basically this client is a reoccurring client, that pays on a monthly recurring. And basically what I would do is I create the content for them. Okay, so right now they're obviously looking to they're looking to do specific thing like rank, right, on the first page of Google. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I would do. So I would literally, all I have to do is just take this URL right here. Okay, so I take this URL, okay, and then I'm gonna jump back into my tool here. Keep in mind that was roasted mushrooms. So I'm gonna jump into my campaign here, okay, and I want to drive traffic to this particular link here, so I can actually generate more, revenue for them. So I would first put the URL in here, okay, and then I would jump back into. I'm gonna jump back into our into this, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna get the keyword, okay, how to roast mushrooms, and then I'll jump into ChatGPT 3, okay, create, and then I'm gonna create an article. So I'm just gonna create the article here, so just give me 1 minute while I create this article. Okay, so right here we have ChatGPT, and I just wanted to show you exactly how I would use it for actually creating a blog that's gonna be spun in syntax format using the keyword that you put in there, and then you're gonna put this article into your Money Robot tool. Okay, so you have to have the Money Robot tool in order to do this properly. So I mean, if you don't have the Money Robot tool, it's totally fine. You can join our program, and then you would get access to just submitting your links through me. Okay, so I'm gonna do this for the client. All I have to do is I just need to get the keyword. Okay, so again, the keyword right there was roasted mushrooms. So instead of syntax diet, I'm going to put roasted mushrooms. Okay, so roasted mushroom diet, and then I will go back to my thing here, and instead of healthy diet, mushroom diet. How to create mushroom diet. Mushroom diet. Okay. In spintex format. Okay, so what's gonna happen is it's gonna create a spintex formatted article. Okay, so it takes a few minutes, or it takes a few seconds before it figures it out, and then now it's in spintex format. Okay, the next thing I want to do while that is being created is I'm gonna just jump into my campaign here that I created. Okay, and I'm just gonna also put this as mushroom diet, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to take this roasted mushroom diet. Okay, roasted mushroom diet. Copy, and then what I want to do is I want to go to my keyword tool here, and I'm going to paste the keyword right here. And as you can see, it will give me a variety of different keywords that I can take, and then I will put it into the campaign creator. And then I would put it into the keywords right there. So now I have a variety of keywords, which has saved me probably hours of time. And I didn't even have to do research. I didn't have to do any research for those keywords. I literally just posted in the keyword, and then basically it gave me a whole bunch of other keywords that I'm now going to use for this campaign here. And the diagram that I want to use for this right here is going to be the triangle diagram. Okay, so I'm going to use the triangle diagram, the Triforce diagram. Triforce diagram gets the job done, guys. It ranks you on the top page of Google within hours. And the reason why is because it is a powerhouse diagram. As you can see, there's quite a lot going on here. We're going to jump into here right in a second, and I'm going to show you exactly how this one particularly works. But again, if you want this diagram, you're going to have to join the program, and then you would get this program. The value of this program, or this Triforce right here, is around $4,000, but you're getting it with the program if you join the program today. Again, that's not going to be open for much longer. We only have 3 spots available left at that price, and then we're going to be bumping the price up, and then it's no longer available to the public. So you definitely want to join within the next few hours. So I'm going to show you right here what I'm going to do. So I got my syntax article, and I'm also going to include that it's going to be included if you go to the description below. You're going to get access to getting this prompt right here for ChatGPT 3. Okay, so I'm just going to take the title. Okay. And then what I will do is I'll just jump back into my campaign. I'll paste the title here. And then the next thing I want to do is I want to just jump back into this, and I will copy that. I'll jump back in here, and I'll paste this into the body. And that's it. So now we have our article in SpinText Spinner formula. So what we're going to do is we're just going to run this for a duration of 2 days, and we're going to start the campaign. And what's going to happen is it's actually going to start to create all of these different Web 2.0, Web 3.0 blogs that are all going to be shooting towards that one ad right there, or that one blog right there. So I just want to show you how you can get reports too when you're actually running articles. So I'm just going to click on this. You click on edit. Okay. You see right here, basically these are the reports. You can also save this report if you want to get a report of all of the backlinks that you're creating. So you can do basically some research on each of these. So I'll just take one of these in particular, and I'll show you. Actually, I'm going to save this first. And I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, so I just want to show you one of the backlinks that I've created here. Just copy right here, and I'm going to show you the backlink that I created right here, and then I will click on that backlink. So this is one of the backlinks I've created for another one of our clients. Again, it creates the backlinks in bulk, so you're getting millions of these backlinks created. As you can see, there was 150 users that hit this one particular backlink. And imagine you have thousands and thousands of these backlinks that are all going towards your website. In this case, it was all going towards my website, which was driving an insane amount of traffic, guys. So disregard anybody that they say it's low quality backlinks, because these backlinks are extremely powerful when they work in basically Unity. Okay, guys, so it is very, very powerful. I'm gonna go into depth in this in the program. We're actually updating it frequently, so it's, when you do join the program, you get access to getting a call with me where we set up a customized blueprint for you, which will help you actually create more commissions for your business, or if you want clients, or you want to get clients, we're going to be including trainings for that as well. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do all of that, guys. So as promised, I'm going to show you exactly how basically the diagrams, the best ones work. I want to just go into one of my diagrams here, and I'm going to go into diagram editor. And the reason why this is so powerful is you get a combination of Web 2.0 blogs shooting to Web 2.0 profiles, okay? And that's all going towards your money website. Now, I do have the option of editing this and then adding, social shares as well. Okay, so I can add social shares, which does give it a little bit more juice. So what I would do is I would just take this right here, and then I will actually bring it over here and link it together. Make sure that the link is together when you link it. Okay. And then this is linked to here. So once I link it to this, okay, I linked it. So it looks like it's linked. Oh, it's not linked properly yet. Okay. I'll link it right here instead. But you get the idea. So basically, if I were to link a bunch of social shares and likes here, it just gives it more power. That's basically what happens. And then you can go back into your campaigns and then get tracking for each of these, so you can see where your submissions are going. This makes your life a lot easier than doing manual backlinking. Like if you are to reach out to PR agencies and reach out to more quality backlink people that have backlinks, it's going to cost you a lot more money and a lot of more time, whereas this is completely automated. It doesn't matter what anybody says, even if they are low quality backlinks or mid-tier backlinks, having them in bulk gets you a good amount of traffic, which ranks you for low competition keywords or mid competition keywords. We're not going for stuff like weight loss. We're going for stuff like how to make a mushroom roasted meal, or something along the lines of a long tail keyword, guys. So in the next video, I'm gonna show you actually how to automate a WordPress blog and then basically utilize the Money Robot tool to have it as a money website where it's driving traffic, and you don't even have to create the content for yourself. You just essentially set and forget. I'm going to show you exactly how to set that up in the next video. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to leave the notifications on, and also comment below, what projects are you working on? What are you planning on doing right now? Are you getting success right now? Let me know. Would love to hear from you. And thanks again for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.